Hello everyone, I am Prem Kumar. Welcome to Olympiad Math Academy. Today I am going to choose the number theory concept, the base representation, and using the congruence idea. So first let me begin with the two important concepts. First is base representation. For example, if I take 2, 5, 6 you can take. Suppose base 10 is there. How to write? So 2 into 10 square plus 5 into 10 power 1 plus 6 into 10 to the power 0 we can write. If 3 digit is there, we can see that base 10 means 10 square. If 4 digit is there, you can say this is the base power 3. Understood? The same idea you can apply for this question also. The second thing you need to understand the congruence. For example, if I take in the clock 13 is congruent to modulo 12. That means what? When you have 13, 1 o'clock only, 1 o'clock railway time, 13 is equal to what? 1, right? That means when you divided 13 is divided by 12, so you will get 1 times 12, 12, the remainder is 1. So therefore 13 is identically equal to 1, right? Identically equal to 1. Okay. So you can use another definition using divisibility. 12 divides the A minus B. Take the difference, right? 13 minus 1. It is implies 12 divides 12. It is true, right? I think clear. Right. Let me take, for example, 9. If I take 9 is congruent to when divided by 5. What is the remainder? 4, right? But equivalently, how to write the difference? You can see the reverse order, right? Minus 1, right? It is equal to minus 1, congruent modulo 5. So why this is true? Because you can use the definition 5 divides 9 minus minus 1. This implies 9 divides 10. Sorry, 5 this one, right? This is 5 divides 10. So definitely it will work, right? These are the basic tools required for these questions. What we can do here? Write n in terms of base 9. This is how to write 2 into, here how many digit is there? You can check 11 digit is there. 11 digits means you have to reduce you have to reduce 1 digits, right? So that means 9 power 10, right? Plus 7 into 9 power 9. So you know that this is 0, right? I'm just leave this one as it is, right? 0 into something 0 only, no? Otherwise you will be feel difficult. Let me write completely 9 power 8 plus 0 into 9 power 7 plus 6 into 9 power 6 plus 0 into 9 power 5 plus 0 into 9 power 4 plus 0 into 9 power 3, right? This is completed. And then 0 into 9 power 2 plus 5 into 9 power 1 plus 2 into 9 power 0. I think clear? Now what we can do here, just you can use the congruency here, right? So n is complete expression. What you can do, you just divide it by 5. So you already know that 9 is congruent to minus 1, right? You can see when you take n, when you divide it by 5, the whole thing you can divide by 5. So 2 into, you can see 2 into 9 equivalent to what? Equivalently we can write minus 1. Minus 1 to the power 10. Understood? Then here 7 into minus 1 to the power 9. Okay, this term will be completely 0, right? And here how to write? Plus 6 into minus 1 to the power 6. Then after that, this is completely 0. So last two term is there, 5 into minus 1. Then plus 2 into, so 9 power 0 will be 1, right? Yes. So this is, you can divide it by modulo 5. Understood? Therefore, n is congruent to 2 minus 1 to the power is 1, even power will be 1 only. Therefore, 2, this is odd power, minus 7, this is even power, plus 6, this is minus 5, plus 2 modulo 5. So, you can add this, all the things. So, 2 minus 7 is minus 5 plus 6 will be 1 minus 5 is what, minus 4 plus 2 is what, minus 2, right, minus 2 modulo 5. So, you know that this difference you can see this is 3, right, equivalently in the positive form how to write, it is congruent to 3 modulo 5. So, therefore, when n is divided by 5, the remainder will be 3. Understood? Yes, students, if you like this channel, if you like this video, you can subscribe it, like it, and share to your friends. Okay, thank you everyone.